Hi, this is Dr. Catherine Brown. I'm here to help you locate acupressure point Heart 7. Placing your hand palm up. The point is in the depression on the radial side of the tendon on the muscle flexor carpi ulnaris. So if you actually put your one finger on your wrist below the pinky finger and move the pinky finger, you're going to feel that tendon tense up. Now the point is not right on top of that tendon. You would roll towards the middle, and in the very immediate depression on the crease is where Heart 7 is located. I instruct my patients in clinic to apply the fire element acu-stick to Heart 7 several times a day to activate this point. They can also use pressure on this point, and they use a circular motion that's clockwise in most cases. So this is an incredibly important point for calming the mind, for soothing emotions, and for insomnia. Details on using this point are located at Ageless Herbs on the acupressure directions page, and it will include different ailments and point combinations and all the diseases that this point will treat. You will also find tons of information about how to use acupressure and Chinese medicine for specific health concerns, and you can deepen your knowledge about Chinese medicine at agelessherbs.com. Thanks for watching my video. Likes are much appreciated, and please subscribe to my channel. Be well.